Hello guys, this is Vysh. So episode 2 of the prelims revision series 2025. I hope you are those serious aspirants who have been studying daily and not like others who simply apply or simply give like a lot of exams, and UPSC is just one of them. You should be among those top 50,000 students who have been doing prelims practice, mains practice and everything. And we will continue with January month's current affair MCQs. Yesterday we had discussed 5 questions, and again like this every day from our test series PDFs we will be sharing some MCQs to you. Okay, if you are already enrolled, this will be a revision for you. If you are not enrolled, this will be a learning for you. Okay, so identify the 13th century saint based on the description given. He was a Dvaita Vedanta philosopher. His aristocratic roots were linked to the Gajapati Empire in Odisha. He was the first to compose Devaranamas in Kannada. He contributed to Yakshagana, Bailatta, a dance drama form, and Kuchipudi. Okay, so you from this you will understand he is like related to Kannada and Karnataka and all. So here options are Adikavi Pampa, Sri Ponna, Narhari Tirtha or Ranna. Okay, about all of these in your medieval history textbooks it is mentioned. Okay. So if you are serious, by this time you would have known the answer. We'll go to the answer. It is Narahari Tirtha. Okay. And other options is also important. The Pampa, Ponna and Ranna, they are considered the Kavi Ratnatraya or the 3 gems of Kannada literature. Okay. So here more details about them. The wrong options. Pampa is known as Adikavi, first poet. The timeline of all 3 are the same. Okay. They are around 940 AD and believed to be a group of 3 people who are very well versed in Kannada language and Kannada poetry. So about them, some their works, okay, Adi Purana or this Vikramarjuna Vijaya, okay, which is also Pampa Bharata or a Kannada version of Mahabharata. These are like UPSC's favorite topics. They'll keep asking like who translated what to what language and all. So you have to know these basics. Okay, so here again for Ranna, Ajita Purana and Saha Simba Vijaya. And more details are there here. 2 other works also given here. And then Ponna is known for Shanti Purana and Jinakashtramalle. So and here one more. Okay, so this one, it's very difficult to by heart all these terms, but at least when you see match the following or options and all, you should be able to relate which is which. Okay, UPSC has a habit of maybe asking 1 questions every year, which is very factual in ancient and medieval history, and it's very difficult for everyone. Okay, still if you simply glanced it now, maybe you will be able to do. And also this personality, the correct answer here is important because idol of this person, okay, a 3-foot idol of this saint has been discovered. Okay. So he was a Dvaita Vedanta philosopher, and he was a disciple of Acharya Madhava, who is the founder of Dvaita philosophy, and his contributions are very important in the Kalinga region of Orissa. Okay, so his ordination in the 4th order by the saint himself is showing like how much he is important in the spiritual and societal welfare kind of life. Okay, so he composed many works of his Guru Acharya, and his roots are there in Gajapati Empire, and he was the first to compose this one, and he authored many books like Gita Bhashya, Bhava, Prakashika and all these things. So whatever factual things I am showing, I have underlined also, and whoever is enrolled, you have the PDFs already with you. Okay, and I hope you have already studied this, but still try to revise this. Okay, now second question, Chirang Ripu Sonitpur Dehing Patkai. What are these? Are these tiger reserves in West Bengal or snow leopard reserves in Arunachal, bird sanctuaries in Nagaland or elephant reserves in Assam? Okay, so this kind of question also, every year UPSC takes one or the other national parks or wildlife sanctuaries or community reserves, and they ask you either to match with the state or with the animal, or whether they have any UNESCO significance or any such things. Okay, the usual thing which UPSC does every year. So now again, if you take the answer for this, okay, this is elephant reserves in Assam. Okay, elephant reserves in Assam. So Assam's elephant population has actually surged in 2024. Okay, they have been doing the estimates. 2017 also they did, and it really reveals that 5,828 elephants. That is a rise of 109 since the previous count in 2017 has observed. So Assam, you know, it has lot of reserves, and it's mentioned here. Out of that, only 3 of them I had put in your options. So like this, again, tiger, elephant, dolphins, these are the most important animals which you have to study. 2024 estimate indicates that 68% of elephants reside in protected areas, while 30% are in managed forest. Okay, and only 1.6% is recorded in the revenue areas. So there is habitat fragmentation, human encroachment is there, human-animal conflict you will see related to Wayanad news and all in Kerala. Like this, any animal-related news when it comes, you have to know. Okay, here some more factual things are given here. This Makhna males are tuskless and less targeted by poachers. Okay, and the largest reserve in Assam is this Kazirangi Karbi, and the lowest density is in this Dhanisri Lungdi. Okay, so like this, very factual things I have highlighted and try to remember. Okay, the method also, Tiger's methodology already in UPSC 2017, UPSC have already asked like what are the methods of counting the tigers. So like this, direct visual total count is the method used for elephants because it's a bigger animal, and the adult calf to female to calf ratio is 0.49. okay, meaning successful. This is there, reproduction is there. So like this is the environment related MCQ for today. Now we will see a science related question. Which of the following are false about human metapneumovirus? Okay, HMPV. This is repeatedly in the news this year. So it is a respiratory virus first identified in 2001. The virus is most prevalent during the winter and early spring. It can be cured only with medical intervention. Antibiotics are ineffective against HMPV as it is a viral infection. So here again, you have to read the question carefully. You are not looking for the correct statement, you are looking for the false statement, okay, which many people miss it out. That's why you have to practice in the form of MCQs. Many students I know, they read these magazines of different institute and you learn a lot of content, but you don't see questions as such, and that is why in the exam hall you struggle. Okay, and at VYSH IAS we give only MCQ format magazines. That is why our students are able to answer the questions faster. Okay, so which of the following are false? It can be cured only with medical intervention is false, because there are many people who will cure automatically without any medical intervention. Okay, remaining three statements are true. Okay, remaining three statements are true. First identified in 2001, in winter season and early spring it is there, and antibiotics won't work because it's a viral infection. Okay, so most individuals recover without any medical intervention, and that is why that statement is false. So through direct contact from individuals and the contaminated surfaces, it can transmit and respiration will get affected. So you have to take care of that because there is no vaccine or antiviral treatment for this particular thing as of now. Okay. Question number 4. The Sipahi Jala Wildlife Sanctuary seen in news for the discovery of banded royal butterfly. Okay, this is the another name for that, is located in Maharashtra, Sikkim, Himachal and Tripura. Already the state butterfly of Maharashtra kind of one question had already been asked in UPSC. So you should understand that I am showing you MCQs which has been asked in the past in a different way. Okay, I mean these topics, butterflies or these vaccines or diseases, these are the things which are now recently from 2017 at least is trending in UPSC, and repeatedly it's coming. Okay, and it's very factual also. That is why from the newspapers we are covering everything. So here the answer, which state is having this particular wildlife sanctuary. If you are willing, okay, just one point before going to answer. There is a golden offer for people who are watching this PLUMS series daily, and in case till now you did not enroll to our test series, our total we have more than 111 tests, but because your prelims is nearing, I am giving you the 69 best test of that, which is having all the subjects, 12 months of current affair, that is a 1 year of current affair before your prelims, 250 plus revision chart, 60 plus snippet card. All these are soft copy and all these are having unlimited validity, meaning you have these PDFs with you. That means if you fail in 2025, still you can use it for your 2026, or you can use it for your state exam, whatever, because these are papers or PDFs which you will get in your email and you can use it anytime. Okay. It will be having that much rich content of all the subjects which you need for a competitive exam, whether it is history, ancient, medieval, modern, art and culture, current affair, polity, geography, economy, environment, maps, science, schemes, international body, everything. Okay, more than this, nothing you have to study. If you study all these things itself, almost entire syllabus will get covered. Okay, but if you are willing to study this in this like crash course kind of thing very quickly, then only enroll to this. You will get these PDFs and you can read daily how much ever you can and go and give the exam. Okay, if you are an already enrolled student or a person studying continuously for 1 year, then you don't have to do it because you are already having a pattern. Don't try to rush in too many MCQs in the last moment. Okay, now question the 4 answer is Tripura. Okay, Tripura has seen this discovery of this banded royal butterfly, and it's a rare species recorded for first time in the state, and it was cited but it was not recorded. Okay, earlier it was cited in 2021, but now it is very technically and specifically recorded. Okay, Schedule 2 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act. You should know that in the act, Schedule 1 will have all this tiger, elephant, tortoise and all, because they are very important to be protected, but this butterfly is in the Schedule 2. Okay, lesser protection is there, and it is the second largest family of butterflies in which this particular thing belongs, and they have different colors and combinations and all. That's not that much important for your prelims, but still I have given the factual information about the royal banded butterfly. Okay, In India itself, there are 3 subspecies, which is again in Assam, Meghalaya, and Jharkhand, and it is also home. This particular place is also home to the Clouded Leopard National Park, established in 2007. Okay, this is another factual information, because about snow leopard and clouded leopard also a lot of current affairs and questions are coming in many of the competitive exams. Okay, now the last question for the day is again a disease related one. Okay, tularemia disease caused by this bacterium Francisella tularensis is commonly called as, meaning in news what would have been the name of it, like you see monkeypox and all. What is this disease? Is it camel flu? Is it rabbit fever? Is it canine distemper? Or is it mad cow disease? All of these are in the news. Okay, all of these are in the news, so you should know which one is this particular disease, or which is the technical or scientific name for this. Okay, so here the answer is rabbit fever. Okay, it's caused by a bacterium. It is notable among children aged 5 to 9 and older men also, and the CDC is categorizing this bacteria as a tier 1 select agent due to its potential as a bioweapon. Okay, meaning it can be infectious very seriously, and so people can use it as a bioweapon. And rabbit, hares, these rodents are the primary carrier, and human infection can occur through various routes. Okay, either they are biting, or the ticks, or somehow direct contact with these infected animals, or eating them, or same water you are using something can spread it to humans as well. While no vaccine is there currently, the illness is treatable with antibiotics. Okay, so there is no vaccine to stop it, but there is a method to stop it. Okay, method to treat it. Okay, this was just extra notes, just ignore this. This we'll discuss in the next day's thing. Okay, so we discussed 5 questions. Please comment your score, like it is 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5. Even if it's 0 out of 5, doesn't matter. Okay, just comment it. Only then you will see, like, okay, 3rd day, 4th day or something, I could reach from 0 to 5. Okay, so we'll wind up this now. Thank you and have a nice day.